Welcome to MyMCC. It's designed to allow you to customize how your dashboard looks to have the tools and info you use the most right at your fingertips. To find the cards you'd like to add, you can select the Discover More button on the dashboard or click on the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner and select Discover. You can also find cards by category in this menu. In the Discover area, you can browse or search through a complete list of cards available to you. To add cards to your dashboard, click the bookmark icon in the upper right-hand corner of the card. Let's return to the dashboard by clicking on the MCC logo, and you can see that those cards have been successfully added. You can easily move the cards by clicking and dragging. A card can be removed by clicking the bookmark icon again to deselect it. Cards removed have not been deleted, they've only been taken off the dashboard. The Start Here card has a list of recommended cards for students, work study, faculty, and staff.